Hi everyone, this is Dr. PS, MS orthopedic surgeon, and this 30-year male patient sustained injury to the right shoulder and having anterior dislocation of the right shoulder. Okay. He had history of fall from the height. After that, he had some abrasions over here and the dislocation of anterior dislocation of the right shoulder. There are three types of dislocation: anterior, posterior, and inferior. Among these all three, anterior dislocation is most common. Around 97% are anterior shoulder dislocation. For this dislocation reduction, there are few methods. One is like Milch, Cocker's, Stenson's gravity, and Hippocrates scapular manipulation. There are few more, like around 20 methods are there for shoulder dislocation reduction. Among these all, we need few complications are there. This patient previously had a shoulder dislocation of left side also. For this, while they are trying to reduce the reduction with the traction, he had fracture of the proximal humerus. So for that he had to undergo surgery. So now this method I am using like one of the recently popular method. This is Dr. L. Prakash method. In this method, I don't have to give traction, and we don't need to give any sedatives. No assistant required. Only single surgeon can perform this shoulder dislocation reduction. For this, slowly hold his forearm with your right hand and stabilize his elbow, and tell the patient like not need to panic. నువ్వు మొత్తం లూజ్ చేసేయాలి, టైట్గా పెట్టని పెట్టకు, మొత్తం నా మీద వదిలేసేయాలి. రిలాక్స్ అవ్వు, మొత్తం రిలాక్స్ అవ్వు. 2 నిమిషాలు. This method takes 2 to 3 minutes, sometimes 4 minutes. If the patient cooperates, we will reduce it within 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. I have taken X-ray also. In the X-ray, I have confirmed as there is no fracture, only purely anterior dislocation is there. Here we can palpate humeral head, okay, and prominent acromion. Lateral border of the acromion is very prominent here. So while reducing, engage the patient and talking like divert his mind so that he will relax his muscles. ఇక్కడ ఏ ఊరు అన్నది? కోటయ్య. ఎంత దూరం ఇక్కడ నుంచి? 100 కిలోమీటర్స్. అంటే లారీ మీద పనిచేస్తుంది కదా?
ఇంటికి వెళ్తుంటే ఆపోజిట్ లో వారు వచ్చి పెట్టెలు మొత్తం పట్టు తిరిగి నా మీద పడుతుంది.
In this method, we have to complete external rotation should be there. You should do it very gently, otherwise it will be very painful to the patient. As you can see, I am not giving any traction. I am doing gently external rotation of the arm, and you can see patient face is not wincing. That means I am not doing anything painful. Complete external rotation should be there. ఏం పని చేస్తారు మీరు? ఏం షాప్? అప్పుడు లాస్ట్ టైం మీకు అంటే పక్కన జరిగినప్పుడు ఏం లాగింగ్ పట్టి లాగింగ్ ఎక్కడ చేశారు? లూజ్ పెట్టాను మొత్తం నా మీద వదిలేసారు. 2 మినిట్స్ జస్ట్ ఇట్లా మీరు నేనే ఉంటాను అంటే మీరు లూజ్ పెట్టిరా లేదా అని చూస్తున్నాను. లూజ్లో పెట్టారంటే కండరాలన్నీ లూజ్ అయిపోతాయి, వెంటనే అయిపోతాయి. లేదంటే మళ్ళీ పట్టి లాగాలి, చేయాలి.
దాన్ని మర్చిపోండి ఇంకా సార్ చేసుకుంటారు.
Meanwhile, you can check patient as he is holding, he is using any power. If he is using, you should guide him to just leave it off. పిల్లలు ఉన్నారా? ఎంతసేపు పాప?
అది కూడా నాకు ఏం కాలేదు.
లూజ్ మొత్తం వదిలేసేయండి. లూజ్ పెట్టండి, టైట్ పెట్టినంటే రాదు, టైట్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, ఎలా ఉంది? So now dislocation has been reduced. This is the advantage of this procedure. Previously with other procedures we have to give traction and counter traction, and we have to sedate the patient, and you must need one more assistant. But in this method, in 2 to 3 minutes you can reduce it completely. Okay. Now you can see, so it is in the position. Now patient can do shoulder movements easily. Previously was unable to do any shoulder movement. ఎలా ఉంది ఇప్పుడు? నొప్పి తగ్గిపోయిందా? ఫ్రీ అయిపోయిందా? దీంతో ఇక్కడ నొప్పి ఈ చేతిలో as just recently it has been dislocated, so there will be stretching of the capsule and the ligaments around the shoulder, so it will be painful for a few more days. So for that we should restrict him doing any works like overhead lifting and all. We should reduce him for 2 weeks. Usually I advise him 2 weeks rest. Okay, but compared to before, it is completely reduced now. It is in the joint, and we can confirm with X-ray. Thank you.